Choo-choos?
No, ah! Ay! Oh!
Whoa!
Choo-choos?
Oh no.
Choo-choos?
Oh, da!
Do you want to open the choo-choos?
Choo-choo open? Should I open it up? Let's open it up.
Yay!
Oh no. Tape.
Wreck it out, Mama.
I'm trying. Ow.
Oh!
Ow!
What's in there, Graham?
Choo-choos!
Wow!
Talk to you later.
Can you get it out?
Choo-choos!
Oh no!
Choo-choos! Choo-choo?
Another choo-choo?
Another choo-choo?
That's a lot of choo-choos.
Now what? There's a lot of choo-choos.
Uh-oh, it's too long.
It came out. Another choo-choo? Yeah, these only want to stick on one side.
Oh. That's a lot of trains.
You can put the caboose last and the engine first.
He's a smarty.
Got some strings.
Whoa! Godzilla.
Another choo-choo.
You gonna line them up?